to talk about how you can actually make money from your passions and things you enjoy with checklists. There are a lot of people out there who want to learn and find out what you already know, and today I'm going to be sharing how you can create and sell checklists about your favorite topics. So you might be wondering, what is a checklist in terms of how is it some type of money-making content? And basically, checklists are like mini blueprints with explanations and examples, and it provides both process and details on what to do. So a lot of times, it can be something that people work their way through. It can be a process with numbered steps. It can be things that people need to have in place. So checklists are extremely versatile and extremely popular. And you can actually use checklists for content marketing to grow your business. And you can also sell checklists directly. In terms of using checklists to grow your business, you can actually give away checklists to build and monetize your list, for example, to grow your audience. And one of the great ways to do this is to create a bundle. So let's say, for example, you are in the gardening niche. You could create a bundle of some different checklists, something like top 10 don'ts for getting your garden ready for spring, the simple checklist to having fantastic tomato plants, just things like that. And then you can give them away for free, so people will need to opt into your email list to get those checklists. There's other ways you can put those together and give them away for free as well, and that is one of the more common ones. You could share them on social media platforms. There's just a lot of different ways that you can do that. So as I mentioned, you can create a checklist for almost anything. I talked about gardening. You can also do things like any niche, pretty much. Anything online or business related, anything that's health related, like bodybuilding, working out, weight training, anything that's like career related, educational. Pretty much any type of topic under the sun, you can put together some niche checklists in that particular topic. Another thing you can do with checklists is you can actually sell them as a package directly. So how much you'll charge depends on your niche and bundle and the platform that you're going to be selling them on. So for example, if you're selling them as a book on Amazon, you might charge more than if you're just selling them as individual checklists on your own site or a place like Etsy. So there are different types of checklists. 3 of the most common types are procedural, connective, and discovery. So procedural checklists are the most popular and most commonly used checklists, and they basically work through a process from beginning to end, and most checklists fall in this category. Think of it almost like a recipe, like first you do this, then you do this, etc. Like maybe you would have a checklist for changing the oil in your car, learning how to do that on your own. So, it would go through opening up the hood, taking out getting your stuff ready, taking out the plug at the bottom so the oil can drain, all those types of things in the correct order, of course. So here's another example, and just keep in mind these are really like tutorials. They're how-to. So how to build a backyard chicken coop checklist would list all of the steps required. And a lot of time these types of checklists can also be supplementary to your main content. So for example, if you have a guide on building a backyard chicken coop, then you might also include a checklist with it as well, so people can just have the pertinent information there. So if you want to learn more about other types of checklists and how to get started with using checklists to grow your business, you'll want to check out my checklist training below. You can go ahead and go directly to the link and check that out.